Hey guys, it's Max Course, and I got two new toys from Baby Einstein. I'm gonna show them to you. Here's the first one is the Octopus from Language Nursery and Baby Mozart. The yellow head, which is kind of good. Rainbow legs or tentacles, whatever they are, or arms. Red nose and the hat, different colors. It chimes like rings. No, the tentacles are there. Different colored, or the ones with some colors on it. And this is one's a good one. Now the next one. Here's the Mr. Bubbles from World Animals. The turtle has a pipe to blow from bubbles. Yeah. The hat comes with these bubbles. Bubbles. But you can fill it up with this. Yeah. I don't know how I can snip up the tip because of the age it is. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay. This is Max Chorus. See you in the next video.